It's a 2015 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo V6 engine, heavy-duty shocks, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, active grille shutters, rear-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Ram gets the job done. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Find it at Firkins. Come see us today. We're located between the Red Barn Flea Market and the DeSoto Mall on 1st Street.